Top 4 trending digital cameras on Amazon for every user. Top 4 trending digital cameras on Amazon for every user. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 4 trending digital cameras on Amazon that are making waves right now. Whether you're a vlogger, beginner, or just looking for a compact camera for everyday use, we've got something for you. We'll be showcasing the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II, the FHD 1080p digital point-and-shoot camera, the Kodak PIXPRO Friendly Zoom FZ45, and the 4K digital vlogging camera with flip screen. Let's explore what makes each of these cameras a must-have. G7X. Ooh. First up, we have the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II, an absolute favorite among vloggers, content creators, and casual photographers. Canon is known for delivering high-quality cameras, and this model is no exception. Pros: superior image quality. The 20.1 MP CMOS sensor and Digic 7 image processor deliver stunning, sharp photos with great color accuracy. Fast autofocus and low-light performance features a f1.8 2.8 lens, allowing for crisp, detailed shots even in low-light conditions. Compact and travel-friendly, small enough to carry anywhere without compromising on performance. Optical image stabilization helps prevent blurry shots, making it perfect for action and handheld shooting. Great for vlogging. With its 3-inch tilting touchscreen, you can easily record high-quality YouTube videos and take perfect selfies. Segment 2, FHD 1080p digital point-and-shoot camera. Next, we have the FHD 1080p digital point-and-shoot camera, a budget-friendly, easy-to-use option for beginners, kids, and casual photographers. If you're looking for a compact camera that's simple yet effective, this one's for you. Pros: affordable and beginner-friendly, perfect for kids, teens, and first-time camera users who want a simple digital camera. 1080p FHD video recording allows for clear, sharp videos for everyday moments. 16x zoom and anti-shake feature helps capture distant objects clearly without blurriness. Compact and lightweight, easily fits in your pocket or backpack, making it ideal for travel and outdoor adventures. Rechargeable battery, comes with a built-in battery and USB charging, making it convenient for on-the-go use. Segment 3, Kodak PIXPROs. Now let's talk about the Kodak PIXPRO Friendly Zoom FZ45, a classic and reliable camera designed for casual photographers and family moments. Pros: 16 megapixel sensor with 4x optical zoom captures clear, high-resolution images, allowing you to zoom in without losing quality. 27mm wide-angle lens, perfect for landscape shots, group photos, and everyday photography. Easy-to-use interface, simple button layout, and 2.7-inch LCD screen make it beginner-friendly. Compact and travel-ready, lightweight and battery-operated, great for vacations and day trips. Kodak Color Science delivers vibrant, true-to-life colors, ensuring your memories look stunning. Segment 4, 4K digital vlogging camera with flip screen. Finally, we have the 4K digital vlogging camera, a fantastic choice for content creators and vloggers who want a high-quality camera with premium features at an affordable price. Pros: 4K Ultra HD video records in crystal clear 4K resolution, making it perfect for YouTube, TikTok, and content creation. 180-degree flip screen for vlogging, easily frame yourself with the flip-up LCD screen, ideal for self-recording. 6 zoom and anti-shake keeps your videos stable and smooth even when filming on the go. Includes essential accessories, comes with an SD card, flash, 2 batteries, and a charger, saving you money on extra purchases. Compact and versatile, lightweight and easy to carry, making it a great all-in-one vlogging and photography camera. Which one should you choose? So which digital camera is the best for you? If you want professional-level image quality with fast autofocus, go with the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, beginner-friendly camera, the FHD 1080p digital point-and-shoot camera is a great choice. If you prefer a reliable, easy-to-use camera with zoom capabilities, check out the Kodak PIXPRO Friendly Zoom FZ45. And if you're a vlogger or content creator looking for an affordable 4K camera, the 4K digital vlogging camera with flip screen is your best bet. No matter which one you choose, these top-rated digital cameras are all trending for a reason. That's a wrap for today's top 4 trending digital cameras on Amazon. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another review. Until next time, happy shooting! Links in description.